Up next on our menu is a flavorful, delicious garlic chicken gravy. So let's get cooking. First, chop 4 to 5 garlic cloves and set them aside. Then, cut chicken breasts into small cubes. In a bowl, add 1 large egg, 1½ teaspoons of salt, black pepper, and white pepper to the chicken. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of flour and mix well. Heat some olive oil in a pan and fry the chicken until golden brown. Set the chicken aside. In the same pan, add more olive oil and sauté the chopped garlic until it smells good. Then add chili flakes, black pepper, white pepper, and some salt. Pour in half a glass of water and stir. To thicken the sauce, mix corn flour with water and slowly add it to the pan while stirring. Next, add soy sauce, vinegar, chopped carrots, and spring onions. Let them cook for a minute. Finally, add the chicken back into the sauce and mix it all together. Adjust seasoning if needed. Cook for another minute to let the flavors meld together. Serve hot alongside our restaurant-style egg fried rice for a delicious meal. And there you have it, the perfect dinner. Subscribe our channel for more recipes.